If you want to enjoy most of the benefits derived from honey, the purity of honey is what you should consider before buying. There are some simple tests and experiments that can be performed at home to verify the purity of honey. Find out which tests you should try. However, this is only true in pure honey, and a lot of what you find at the supermarket is not pure honey. A lot of times, honey is mixed with glucose solutions or other honey with a high amount of water. This process is called being adulterated, and it takes away from the health benefits that you receive from home. So, how can you tell if your honey is pure? Today, we will discuss just that. Solidification of honey. Take a look at the bottle and see what the honey inside of it looks like. Over time, all honey will crystallize into something looking like granulated sugar. If it is crystallized in the store, this is pure honey. If it is liquid, you could wait to see if it solidifies. Putting it in the refrigerator will speed up that process. If your honey never turns into crystals, then it is likely that you do not have pure honey on your hands. Thumb test. Here's the procedure to do a thumb test. Put a small drop of the honey you have on your thumb. Check to see if it spills or spreads around. If it does, it is not pure. Pure honey will stay intact on your thumb. The water test. Here's how to do the water test. Fill a glass with water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey into the glass. Adulterated or artificial honey will dissolve in water, and you will see it around the glass. Pure honey, on the other hand, will settle right at the bottom of your glass. The flame test. Take a dry matchstick, dip its tip right into the honey. Strike the stick on the matchbox as if to light it, as pure honey will light up and burn due to the sugar content. Other low-quality honey usually contains water that will prevent it from lighting and burning. Put some honey onto a spoon and hold it up. If the honey falls quickly, then this is not pure honey. Good quality pure honey will stay on the spoon or fall over so slowly. Read the label before you purchase any products. You should always learn to read labels. Make sure that the ingredient list of the honey does not contain high fructose corn syrup or glucose. These are 2 substances that are usually added to honey that keep it from solidifying. Companies also add this to the honey so that they get more honey out of their batch. Mix honey, water, and a few drops of iodine. If the mixture turns blue, then the honey is some sort of added flour or starch in it. Testing your honey will ensure that you have pure, unadulterated honey that will provide you with the health benefits of honey that you know of and care about. If you want to be sure that your honey is top quality, maybe you should consider buying organic honey. Interesting, don't you think? What method did you try in order to check the purity of honey? Do let us know in the comments section.